Hello everyone and welcome to the fifth episode. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create coin pickup system, and as you can see in front of us we have normal coins and we have super coins. So we will create two types of coins. These coins are going to add value 1, and this one that are super coins, they are going to add value of 5. So you can see if we go through them, we sprint enough, the coin value is going to update and you can customize it as you wish. So let's dive right into it. Okay, so first thing that we need to do is we need to go to the Sketchfab and we need to download our model. We're gonna simply click download 3D model and we're gonna download it as FBX. But be careful because this coin is copyrighted, so you need to put attribution if you want to use this coin. So I'm just gonna use this as a preview, and of course when you create your own game you can either choose this coin and credit this author, or you can just create yours. I'm just using this for the sake of tutorial, and we're gonna go here and we're gonna download our sounds for pickups, and this is completely free, copyright free, so you don't even have to attribute. It's completely free, and we're gonna select third one. We're gonna download it, sorry, and then we're gonna select fifth one. This is gonna be our super coin, and here we have a picture that is gonna be our UI, and we're also gonna download it. So now that we downloaded it, we can put it on our desktop. And we can extract the coin into our coin folder. We can simply create like this. So now we have our coin model, and we can simply close this out. And first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna import my coin, and we're gonna create folder which is gonna be called props, and I'm gonna create folder as well which is gonna be called coin, like this. And I'm gonna create texture because you'll see we're gonna have a couple different textures. So first thing to do is gonna go to the coin and we're gonna upload the coin model, and we're just gonna click import all. That's good. And in textures we are gonna select only a couple of them. So I want to select these two. We can select this one and this one. The rest we can leave. And I want to create a folder that's called sound. A folder sound, or we can just call it audio actually. And we can, this one is going to be our normal coin, or we can just call it coin because there is no different coins, every coin is normal, right? Super coin. So our third audio is going to be for normal coin pickup, and the fifth one for the super coin pickup. So we can just drag it in, and we can create one more folder called images, as this is an image, and we can just pull it in. Okay, so now when we did that, first thing to do is I want to create new folder, call it game blueprint, so we can just pull all of these things that are staying here into it. And I'm just gonna simply set color, and so I just know where it is. We're gonna open our game blueprint, OG player character, and the first thing to do is we're gonna create new integer, and we're gonna call it coins. This is gonna be our coin wallet basically, and we're gonna put it as an integer because it's gonna be a number that is like whole. It's not gonna be like decimal. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna keep it as coins. Next thing that we want to do is we want to, I will delete this that I made recently, and we're gonna create a new folder, call it blueprint, and we're gonna create a new folder inside of the blueprint, call it actor, and we're gonna create blueprint class, and it's gonna be a type actor, and it's gonna be called BP coin pickup, and we can open it up. First thing that we want to do is we want to add static mesh. We're gonna call it coin mesh, and we're gonna change static mesh into our coin. And as you can see, our coin doesn't have texture right now, so we're gonna go and fix it right now. Go to props, coin, we can open gold texture, pull it out here, and simply just drag these 4 into it. So we will put it like this so it's not messy. This one goes into our ambient occlusion. This one goes into our base color. This one goes into our normal. We can go ahead and delete this. And this one goes into our roughness. And we can hold 1 and press left click to get a constant, or you can just search constant. And I'm gonna create it to be a little bit metallic. We can put it like this, or maybe even more, so it's shinier. This will do. So we can just press apply, and now our coin has a texture. We can lower our camera speed a little bit. So as you can see, our coin is now nicer, and we can just press E and rotate it. And as you can see, our coin looks nice. We will add sphere collision, which is gonna be part of our coin pickup. Without this, we cannot pick up the coin, of course. And we're gonna set it, we're gonna press R and make it a little bit bigger. This is gonna be perfect. We can right click sphere, add event, and on component begin overlap, we can pull out of other actor and cast to our OG player character. And as OG player character, we can get coin. And from the get coin, we can just go and pull add. And from here, I want to create a variable, promote to variable, and call it coin value. Now if we hit compile and save, we can set our coin value as 1. So if we want to change our coin value, we can simply just change this number. And from here, we're just gonna set coins. Oh, we're gonna pull it from the actor, set coins. And we're gonna pull it like this and coins into this. So now this should be working perfectly. But now if we put our prop into scene, if we go to the, actually our blueprint, sorry. If we go to the blueprint actor, we put it on the screen, and we go in game, we can see it has collision and nothing really happens. Actually it does happen, but it doesn't show us, and I don't like coin being this static, so we're gonna bring some life into it. So out of the event tick, what I want to do is, I'm gonna pull this a little bit up. Actually I can just delete this. And out of Eventic, I can pull coin mesh, and I can simply add relative rotation. And out of delta rotation, I can just make a rotator. Make sure to select the rotator. And we want to rotate it on its z-jaw. So we're just gonna promote this to a variable and simply call it coin rotation speed. And now whatever we input here, it's gonna be our coin rotation speed, and I'm gonna put it as a 1. You can adjust it how you want. Just look what works best for your game. And now if we go to our level and we can check. We made a mistake. We didn't set an tick. And now it should be working. We go to our level and we can see it's rotating. Perfect. But it still has collision, so let's go and fix it. We go to the Blueprint coin pickup, to the viewport, to the coin mesh, and we can simply look for collision presets and set it as a no collision. And now we can go through it. Perfect. So when we pick it up, I want to go to the event graph. After we pick it up, I want to destroy the actor, and also I want to play sound. So that's why we imported our sound coin. And now it should be working. Yes, it's working perfectly. So the thing that we want to do now is we want to create UI, but we already, if you remember, we created the master UI. So now I'm just gonna go and add text to our master UI, put it right here. I'm gonna name text coins, size it to content. I'm gonna anchor it to the top corner, and I'm gonna create binding. And from here, we already have player reference, because if you remember, we made it in the couple episodes before. So this is our reference for our player character. So we can simply just get player reference, and we can get coins from it. And from return value, we can add format text, and we will call it just coins, because we have our icon. But if we didn't have icon, we can just do it like this and set it inside of this. Oh, not like this. We need coins, and make sure to connect it from here. And now that should be working perfectly. So it should be updating how much coins we have, but I don't want to do it like this. We can set it up like this to be nicer. So let me just showcase you how it looks like. We can just do it like this. Perfect. And now we can showcase it like this. As you can see, it's updating perfectly. If we go to the full screen, it's going to be in our top corner, but I don't want this. I want it to be an image instead of the text. So I'm going to go to the binding, and I'm going to simply remove coins, text, and I'm going to leave it like this. So now if we go, we have only number, and we're going to update it in designer. We will simply go ahead, move it a little bit nicer, and we're going to create image. And as our brush, we're going to actually do it like this. You can select it here, make sure you select it, and then you can just click this arrow and you're going to have it here. And we're going to put size 50-50. Actually, we can go ahead and make it 70, not 7. So now, as you can see, we will have it like this, but as you can see, it's not next to each other, and this is a really good example. It's because we need to anchor it, and now it doesn't matter what resolution we have, it's always going to be next to it. And as you can see, if we go full screen, it's also next to it, and it works perfectly. I'm going to go ahead and remove this one. So that's one coin, but now we said that we're going to create two coins. So I'm going to go to the coin pickup, and I'm going to create child blueprint class and call it BP supercoin pickup. Actually, I can just, I'll call it pickup, and I will make it capitalized here as well, because I saw one comment saying that somewhere I capitalize, somewhere I don't. It doesn't matter how, where you capitalize in the names, it's just for the sake of better documentation. So what I want to do is open the BP supercoin pickup, and here in the construction script, I'm gonna go to the coin pickup, and here I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna copy this, and I'm gonna go to the sphere, add event, begin overlap, and I'm gonna paste it right here. Oops. Let me just fix that real quick. And I'm gonna set up here. Cast to it. Object is gonna be other actor, just like we did it in this one. But here, I'm gonna set coin value as well, 5. I want to set up coin sound supercoin. And else what I want to do is I want to create another material and go to the props coin where we set up our coin, and I want to duplicate this one and call it super gold. And all that we're gonna do here is we want to get constant, so hold 1 and press left click, or just type in constant, and I want to put base color RGB and multiply it with, we can call it 5 as well, and set it up into a emissive color. It's gonna look like this. We can actually put it as a 3, and we can make it more metallic. Let's see how it looks like. So now I want to go to the supercoin pickup and change the texture to gold, super gold actually. And as you can see, it looks more shinier, better. So we can go to blueprint, actor, and we can pull our supercoin. And now we can go and test it out. And if we pick up supercoin, it adds 5. And that's pain for the ears, but this should be perfect now. So we created 2 types of coins, but now we have coins and we have nothing to do with them. So in the next episode, I'm gonna create, let's say, doors that you can open only if you have a certain amount of coins, and it's gonna be removed from your wallet. So that's it for this tutorial for today. But in the next one, we're gonna be doing the things for the doors, to open doors with the coins, and also we will be improving our UI a little bit, because as you can see, it's kind of ugly right now. So I really want to make it a little bit nicer. And this tutorial series, I saw one guy ask me what is it about. So I want to add as much as possible mechanics in this single course, so you can learn everything that you need to create your own game, because most of people don't have the same ideas for the game. So I want to create a lot of mechanics that are gonna, fit a lot of people. differently. So yeah, that's it for today, and see you in the next one.